What is up? What is up, everybody? It is your, never mind, hold on. Excuse me. What is up? It is Pokebro YT here, and welcome back to another video where today we are doing something completely different. We are on Sporcle. Link in the description to Sporcle and to this quiz. And we are trying to guess the NFL team's helmet by the helmet description. Okay. So we're going to play New Century Gold Swirl on a Millennium Blue helmet. I think that's the Rams. Yeah. So I think that's 49ers. Yeah. Black, powerful, aggressive burst. Okay. It's the Falcons. Native Americans surrounded by a ring. It's the Redskins. Gold lightning ball, that's the Chargers. Aqua creature surrounded by a cool coral ring on the helmet, that's the Dolphins. Oh, shoot. I'm a little blue cat. The Lions? Yeah, it's Lions. That's the Dolphins. I'm so stupid. Speed Blue Horseshoe. I think that's the Colts. Multiple black stripes on their head. That's the Bengals. Texans. White and silver pirate with a black eye patch and a black shoe with the team name in white letters in it on a silver helmet. What? I don't think that's the Buccaneers. No, it's not. Jeez. Hey, I'm coming back to that one. I'm coming back to that. I don't know. Silver helmet. Black cat lions. Panthers. Two white letters in the lines. It's a giant. Navy and gray aggressive looking bird. The neon green eye on the dark. Okay, it's the Seahawks. Chiefs, Seahawks. Oh my god. Rolling with gold. The Vikings. Team name in white letters on a hunter green oval on white. Oh, it's Jets. Navy blue circle with red stars containing English alphabet. Titans. Steelers. Red, that's the Buccaneers. The third letter of the English alphabet is a wishbone with burnt orange, the right trim on the navy blue helmet. Oh. That's the Bears. The Bears. That's the Bears. Never mind. I always do that. So annoying. Goldish yellow. Red colored head of a bird with goldish yellow beak outlined with a black on a white helmet. What other bird teams are there? than the Falcons. It's not Eagles. My goodness. A yellow beak. Okay, I'm just coming back to that. That's the Bears. Animal charging with something but straight, throwing on a white helmet. I don't think that's the Patriots. Nope. Royal Animal, Royal Blue. Oh. The Bills. Second letter of the English alphabet. Metallic gold. Threatening looking purple bird. Navy. Cowboys. Oh, I ran out of time. Oh, the Cardinals. Oh, the Raiders. The Broncos. Yeah, I knew that was the Packers. Dang it. Okay. That's the end of this quiz. Thank you guys so much for watching. I might be uploading more quizzes soon and in the near future, so I'll see you next time. See you.